This is Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate if you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So to begin with, we will need to download and install the free third-party app that is called Turbo VPN. So launch the Play Store, find the app in question, and then just go ahead and install it. Now you can go ahead and launch it. Then over here tap at the green continue button. Onwards tap, or rather skip this little ad over here, and in order to finally establish the VPN connection, tap at the caret icon. I would recommend that you mark this don't ask again checkbox, go for the allow option, and now as you can see by this little indicator at the status bar, you've successfully connected your device to VPN. While at it, you can change the server, thus the country that you are connected to currently. So I was connected to already. Let me quickly skip this annoying ad. So I was connected to Netherlands, so I'll reconnect myself to Germany, let's say. And now, if you are looking to disconnect from VPN, simply tap at this cross icon over here, choose the respective option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.